Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to force Excel to automatically draw border outlines around your cells the exact second new data is entered. First, click and drag your mouse to highlight the entire data area where you expect to enter numbers or text in the future. For example, select range A2 down to E100. Make sure you are on the Home tab of the top ribbon menu. Click on the Conditional Formatting button and select New Rule from the drop-down menu. A settings window will pop up. Under the Select a Rule Type list, click on the very last option. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Look for the input box labeled Format Values where this formula is true, and click inside it. Type the following formula to check if the first cell of your data row is not empty. Type equal, cell A2, less than, greater than, and 2 quotation mark, assuming your data range starts in column A, row 2. If you want the border to stretch across the entire horizontal row from columns A to E whenever any text is typed into column A, you must lock the column reference with a $sign, like this. This forces Excel to constantly look at column A to trigger the border outline layout for the adjacent cells in that row. Next, click the Format button inside that same dialog box to set up your visual style. Switch to the Border tab at the top of the new window. Under the Presets section, click the Outline button to wrap the cell in a grid line, then choose your preferred line style or color on the left side. Click OK to close the formatting window, and then click OK again to save your new rule. Your data grid will immediately look clean and empty, but the second you type a name or an ID number into cell A2 and hit Enter, a crisp border outline will instantly snap into place around those cells. And that's it. Your spreadsheet borders are now completely automated. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.